minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark.
Yo, what's up vlog? We're here in Toyota MJ Cuenco because we're trying to do the 10,000 PMS for my personal unit, the Toyota Fortuner LTD 2025. So right now, while waiting for Toyota to finish my PMS, I'll be talking about my ownership experience, the fuel consumption, maintenance, comfort, and if worth it bagyapon siya after a year. Okay, so I have it released last May 19 of 2025 and today is May 14. So it's almost 1 year now, and I will talk to you about my real life experience about my car. So that's my daily car. That's what I use for business, for family, sa mga long na mga trips, mga road trips na mo. So let's start with Casa experience. Ever since I got it, I always follow my PMS here sa Casa, the 1,000, 2,500, 5,000, and right now is the 10,000 PMS. And one thing I appreciate about Toyota ownership is the good options for parts and availability of the parts as well. And I also like the way that they email me and text me about my PMS reminder. So when my car reach around 9,500, ni-reach out na sila nako for my reminder nga, sir, your car is due for PMS sa 10,000 PMS. And that's one thing that I like because sometimes makalimot kita ba sa kabisi. After that, I schedule through my Toyota app. It's very seamless. You just book your schedule, your time, and then afterwards you'll get a confirmation from their auto email na you have your appointment scheduled. I was a bit late actually. My appointment was 8 a.m. and I arrived around 9:30. Good thing kay they were still able to cater me. Kay they emailed me or they texted me last 2 days ago or yesterday ba to nga it will be counted as a walk-in. So gladly when I arrived, they were able to get my information and then na-cater sa kudayon. Alright, so secondly, my 1 year later review. I have here topics to discuss. Let's go first with ride comfort. It's actually more comfortable compared to the previous generations ng mga Fortuner. So I was able to drove the first gen, second gen, third gen up to the karon, kanang ato ang current nga unit. And all I can say is mas na-improve yung suspension. So daily use, so far I have no problems with my daily use because again it's my daily car and I'm used to driving SUVs. So it's not hard for me to maneuver through the city. Though dako siya, especially sa traffic and tight spaces, nagyap with challenge sa paglusot. But overall, okay jud kayo, comfortable na siya maneuver. Third is fuel consumption. Average na ako is around 6.7 to 8 kilometers per liter for my daily use. And if I go on long trips, we get around 12 to 13 kilometers per liter. So for me, that's pretty good for a 2.8 engine na diesel turbo pag yun. So compared nimo to other vehicles, if fuel efficiency lang, it's really not that fuel efficient. Especially right now, the gas prices are rising and people are more focused on like EVs and hybrids. So for me, comfortable man ko. I mean, I'm comfortable driving with the Toyota Fortuner and more na. For the comfort, you just have to pay the price to have that same level of comfort driving an SUV like the Toyota Fortuner. Next is road presence. It's really commanding, and when you're driving it, it feels like makita ni mo tanan because it's high ground clearance. So for me, plus points on that because compared to driving like crossovers or other lower ground clearance like MPV, it's more advantage sa road, especially in the Philippines. Now we have uneven roads. I don't need to worry about masangit ko or masangyad ko. So plus points on that. Practicality, for me, it's very practical to drive a Toyota. if you want to have like a reliable vehicle na just gonna drive and go without worrying if mo-breakdown siya sa dalan. Long drives, it's very comfortable in long drives, especially with the seats. It's very ergonomic. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go.
So, this is your unit. We perform some car wash and vacuum of it. So, kaganan. Since engine bill po, nag-cleaning po ta siya.
Okay.
No? Engine oil na to, pag na ni siya, synthetic oil na to naman to. Tignan tayo, sir. Ano siya? Nag-refill po tag mga fluids.
Okay.
Kung kulan, engine oil fluid po. Battery, we did check also the battery. So far, all good naman siya.
Okay.
Battery warranty is for 1 year only.
Alright.
Air filter, aircon filter, ato lang ipaminan.
Okay.
Kami itong pressure, pagpag air pressure. Then, overall sa unit, wala problema. Battery, ato po, i-check yung brakes. Wala na tayo nag-refill of air.
Okay.
Naka-nitroman na ba?
Alright.
Yeah, so far, nating list wala masilaw, naputan din nag-lubricate. Kutang-kutang speaker, as a reminder, today, yung latest preventive maintenance service. So, either nakay stock or remind ko nimo.
Alright.
Ako, tawag nimo nga yung unit, sooner or later, do na for preventive.
Okay. Next is 15 na.
Yeah, 15,000 kilometers, so expect lang naman na sir, pag for maintenance time.
Okay.
So, same sa balay na to, once a year. Every 15, 25, 35, so on. Okay, next preventive maintenance service, either ako or katog yung service advisor
Yeah.
ulit.
So every 10,000 na rin siya.
Every 5,000 kilometers.
5,000.
Yes.
Okay.
5 or 6 months. Okay. Service kilometers. Okay, any question there?
So far, wala sir.
So far, so good.
Alright.
Ang yawi na to na sa console, present natin yung passenger card.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat po.
See you.
Thank you, sir.